Hello. Hello, my name is Giovanni Bush, and I'm going to talk to you about the conservation generation gap. The generation gap is like a blessing in disguise. With all the new aspiring technology, finding or creating a community concerned about conserving the environment should be easy. This is why I think the mobile phone is the next step in conservation. Also why we should get more people into knowing bioremediation and biological augmentation. In conservation biology, I learned how the smallest thing can affect anything. When a tree falls, it creates a change in its area's microclimate. What does this mean for humans? Well, the earth is like a rental home, and the more you trash it, sooner or later you will get kicked out. This is why we should get more people into conserving the earth and its environment, and why we should encourage ecosystem strength. The Yellowstone National Park was not allowed to casually burn, and one lightning strike caused almost all of it to go up in flames. Through 20 years of succession, it's become less likely to burn because of its ecosystem strength. Now, its biodiversity and genetics have made it stronger to flames. That one fire saved Yellowstone National Park from going under. Humans, like nature, can do good for the ecosystem by using a phone to control small population conservation, where you calculate numbers to boost numbers and genetic diversity. If this isn't done by us or nature, extinction vortex will happen, where a species gets smaller and smaller until cannibalism or inbreeding will take place. Now, this requires a lot of math, which is why concerned conservatives carry a phone. Now, they can also record anomalies in case any of this is taking place, from a five-legged frog to a new flower that they just discovered, or bird migrations going more north or more south. And I've studied two ways in biological conservation: bioremediation and biological augmentation. Bioremediation is where you insert some kind of fungi or bacteria to eat away harmful chemicals. Like, they usually do this for oil spills. Biological augmentation is where you add materials that have disappeared. Now, these only work half the time. We humans are not as smart as a million years of evolution. In conclusion, I think conservation is saving a place, thing, or idea for the future. Phones are the next technological step conservation has been waiting for and wanting, to connect it to the future generation. With phones, there are many apps that track invasive species and concerned conservatives, from social media to any random site you could find about conservation. It'll connect us and the older generation. This is why I think phones will close the generation conservation gap. Thank you.